You guys, this is good. This is so good. Once again, simple ingredients, a matter of minutes to put together, and before you know it, you have got yourself a delicious homemade keto-friendly dip. Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome back to my kitchen, where I'm finding recipes that will keep us focused, satisfied, and in keto. Thank you guys so much for joining me. So you guys, we are in the holiday season, and one of the things that I love about the holiday season is being able to serve family and friends appetizers. So one of the things that I thought of that I know is keto friendly, that is so delicious, is a dip. Now you know that when you go into a grocery store and you go to look for a dip, it typically is not keto because it's filled with things that we cannot eat. But you guys, I've got a recipe that will be sure to please, and also you guys, it is keto friendly, and just a few simple ingredients such as that cream cheese, mozzarella cheese, some garlic, and some spinach, and you've got yourself a delicious keto-friendly dip. So if you want to learn how to put it together, stay with me and I will show you how coming up next. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and get started by chopping up this spinach. And it's already been rinsed and dried. You know what? Give me 1 second. Let me get something to put underneath this so this does not slide around. I'll be right back. All right, you guys. So let's go ahead and take a bunch of this spinach. The measurements are on the screen, as always. And we are just going to chop this up until we get really small pieces, because remember, this is going into a dip. So I've asked in previous videos, you guys, how your holiday planning is coming along. So please do leave that in the comments below. Again, whether it be your Christmas shopping or your decorating or your menu planning. I said before that this is my most favorite time of year, and it definitely is. All right, now this has been chopped to size. Let's go ahead and put this together. All right, everyone, let's go ahead and put this together. So we're going to start with some softened cream cheese. And to this, we're going to add this minced garlic. Then some mozzarella cheese. And lastly, this chopped spinach. And at this point, we are just going to blend it all together until everything is nice and creamy and combined. And you guys, just that easy, we have ourselves a delicious homemade dip. Now, what I'm going to do is I am going to put some of this into a little serving dish. Just like that. Doesn't that look amazing? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm also going to turn this into a log. So I am going to take some plastic wrap. I'm going to put some of this dip in this plastic wrap. Okay. And then I am going to roll it up. And there we have it, you guys. So what I'm going to do with this is I am going to refrigerate it. So when I get ready to serve it, all we need to do is to take it out of the fridge, put it on our platter with some veggies or some crackers, and then we just slice it, and this will be ready to serve. All right, everyone, let's go ahead and give this a taste. This looks amazing. It smells amazing, and it's going to taste amazing too, I'm sure. Lord, I thank you. So here I've got some celery. You guys, this is good. This is so good. Once again, simple ingredients, a matter of minutes to put together, and before you know it, you have got yourself a delicious homemade keto-friendly dip. And again, you can just serve it in a dish like this. You can roll it up and refrigerate until it firms up, and then you can slice it. Or I've got another recipe that I'm going to share with you guys in upcoming weeks that I pair this with some chicken. Can't wait to share that with you guys as well. Put it on some keto-friendly crackers. You guys, the sky's the limit. Some broccoli, absolutely, I can taste that on that as well. So you guys, please do give it a try. Leave in comments below if you do, and tell everybody just how delicious this is. You guys, please do give this video a thumbs up, please do share, and please do press that subscribe button below. That's how YouTube knows that you are enjoying this content. And remember, you guys, to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. And remember, it is a great day, and you make it your own kind of special with delicious keto-friendly recipes such as this that will keep us focused, satisfied, and in keto. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I'll see you all real soon on my next I've Got Something to Say too. Thanks again, you guys.